At Toro Striping Incorporated, we are experts in delivering precise and professional parking lot line striping services. Well-defined lines not only enhance the appearance of your parking lot but also ensure proper traffic flow and maximize the efficiency of available space. Whether it's for a commercial property or a residential lot, clear markings make a world of difference. Our experienced team uses top-quality materials and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure each project is completed to the highest standard. From parking stalls to arrows and safety markings, our striping services are designed to last, ensuring that your lot stays organized and visually appealing for years to come. Ready to improve the look and functionality of your parking lot? Trust the experts at Toro Striping Incorporated to handle your line striping needs with precision and professionalism. Contact us today for a free estimate and see the difference professional striping can make.